certified most accurate. Now your First Warn 5 forecast.
Good Tuesday morning, meteorologist Matthew Monder with your First Warn 5 update. We're continuing to track this wintry system and most importantly that freezing rain, the icing potential that comes into mid-Michigan on this Tuesday. Now one thing to note starting off, the National Weather Service has extended the ice storm warning down into Aranac and Gladwin counties. They extended that down earlier this morning, but it follows the same time frame as the rest of our alerts, expiring at midnight tonight. The lighter purple is our winter weather advisory. Anybody under these alerts should expect to see some icy conditions and also that potential for freezing rain. But under the warning, that's where we'll see the higher totals, anywhere from around 2/10 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch there. Lower totals in the advisory, and the most important impacts out of this, especially up north under the warning, is that potential for power outages, also some slick and icy roads for this Tuesday. First Warn 5 Sky Tracker has more of that rain continuing to move up from the south. That's all going to feed this system. Your First Warn 5 hour by hour shows that as we go through the morning, we're in a little bit of a lull this morning, but it starts to pick back up in earnest mid to late morning, really kicking up into our afternoon here. This is your noon hour, seeing that sharp cutoff between rain and freezing rain. That cutoff is going to go right through the Tri-Cities along M46 into St. Louis and Elma, and then places north of there looking at primarily freezing rain. Into your evening hour, 5 to 6 o'clock. This is also the evening commute time, starting to show signs of tapering off. Still some showers around the area and some freezing rain up north, and then one last push at around 7 to 8 o'clock with that freezing rain north and our rain south. If you have any necessary travel to do later on today, please drive safely, especially if you're north and west of the Tri-Cities. But then it all comes to an end pretty quickly at around 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock tonight. We're looking at mostly dry conditions through your overnight, mostly cloudy skies, just a few isolated snow showers and flurries. Also, your ice accumulation map, not much changed from Monday evening, really just brought down our highest totals in our warning just a little farther, so 2/10 to 1/2 of an inch expected in our northern row of counties, but also right along that M61 corridor and north. Lower totals as you go farther south. The Tri-Cities is going to be very close to that cutoff between seeing some more significant icing and mostly just liquid rain. Your 7-day forecast showing that we do have temperatures in the 30s today, but that depends on where you're at. Close to 50 degrees down by Flint, but then staying at and below freezing north and west of the Tri-Cities. So quite a large temperature split today. Then we're back to the 20s Wednesday through Friday. One more system Thursday night and Friday morning with some light snow, but then Saturday looking pretty nice, mostly sunny and a high of 30 degrees.
Stay with WNEM TV5 on air, on the go, and online for more news and weather updates.